As part of your homework last week from Module 3, you had to work on non-action verbs and then edit a present time paragraph. So this was a paragraph with 8 mistakes that you had to edit. So I've scored those and they weren't very good. So I want you to look at my feedback. In this kind of assignment, you wrote in a text box. You didn't attach a Word document. And so the way you see your feedback is a little different. So I wanted to show you. So you still start the same way. You go to grades. And then you're going to go down to that assignment where it says edit mistakes with present tense verbs. Okay, so if you open this, you can see your answer and then you can see what I wrote along the side. So I gave you feedback where I put your sentence on top. For example, this I called a monster verb. Remember, a monster verb is a verb tense that doesn't exist. So you can't say he visiting. There's no verb tense like that. So this was what you wrote, and then this is the correct form of the verb. Okay? So again, this is what you wrote. He is play. There's no verb tense like that. But in this case, it's right now, so I should use he is playing. In some cases, I told you to remember that third person S, that S that goes with it, he, and she, right? So this is what many people wrote. He loved music. And then I want you to change it to he loves music. And another example, many people had a spelling mistake with he fixes. In your book on page 14, there are the spelling rules, so you can check that if you're not sure. And then I have he fixes. So this is the feedback that I'm going to have you put into your blue book for your homework.